YouTube, today I'm doing a new video for my BMW F32 Coupe. I'm going to be fitting a lower lip chin. I know I had the front splitter on it before, but the front splitter came off as I mentioned in one of my previous videos. This time I've got a lower lip chin I'll be installing. I'm going to show you the process and the diagram of how it looks and the images how the actual splitter looks. It comes in 3 parts, so I'm going to show you the process and hopefully it helps you. Guys, as you can see, this is the first part. That's for the driver's side. That's the center part of the lip chin, and that's the passenger side. So there's the 3 parts, they join together. So this bit here that I'm holding now will, if you sit in the middle like that, and then you have obviously the other 2 bits, the side bits here. Let me just show you. They will sit like that. Okay guys, so once I get everything up and running I will show you more of it, but that's just a brief description of how it will look. So here's the diagram as well. Straightforward, easy instructions how to install it, but if you already know how to do these things you will need the instructions, but it's straightforward. You get a bag with 2 sets of bolts and screws. You get some blocks to help to position it out when you're fitting it underneath the bumper. So give me a sec and I'll start the process. I'm going to be drilling some holes through the blocks that come. So these blocks basically they sit underneath the bumper to give it a little leverage, a little gap between the actual bumper and the lower lip chin. So I'm just drilling the hole through them so I know where the screws will go in. So that's all done. So guys, what I'm going to be doing now is just drilling. I've already drilled on one part just to see exactly how it looks when it sticks out. So from the top, it'll be sticking out about that much from the front. So I'm going to drill the other side in now. And sorry I can't show you much details underneath. I haven't got 2 jacks on both sides. But underneath, let me just try to see if I'll give you a brief description. So the other side's going to go in here. So it's going to be a bolt here. And this side's basically what this part does. It rotates, so you can rotate according to your car's angle. So there'll be a bolt that goes in here and it'll be able to rotate. Alright, so there's one building block in there. There's a second one down there. So I'm just going to drill that part. And then, so guys, I'm just going to drill this part. Go right to the end. So, that'll be fine, like this.
Yeah.
So,
just so it looks neat, you know where it joins, so it looks neat. Hold it. Is it flowing nice from the middle?
Yeah.
Like the joint, yeah?
So guys, just gonna drill a hole through here where the bolt's gonna go at the bottom. So that's a hole through both of the units. So all you need to do is push the bolt through there, tighten it up, and then obviously you bolt the end. Alright guys, so let me continue this bit here now where I'm going to be drilling them bit with the Allen key through.
All the way, yeah? When you feel it on your fingers stop.
Through. That's gone through. Go, 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 Joe, 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 Joe. Joe. So that's gone through, guys.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, that's it. Let me put another one up there. Give me another one.
Which one is it? Which one?
Yeah.
But hold on, Sean, you gotta be careful, you know.
Is that alright?
No, I'll tell you why you gotta be careful, because of the space you've made. So you can't have a space here and it's touching there. So you need, you know, you forgot your joining. This is what there. Hold on, Sean, before you do anything. That should be it. Yeah, fine. Sean, wait, before you do anything, come around here. Tell me if you're happy with this back here, please.
In a bit.
In. Like that?
Hold on. Give me a sec. Hold that bit. Here's the finished product. That's how it looks. So with the bolts, you can choose. You can have a black